In this video, I will show you how to remove write protection from a USB drive. If you're trying to copy a file to your USB and see a pop-up saying the disk is write protected, here's how to fix it. First, check the USB drive itself. Some have a small switch on the side that toggles between locked and unlocked. If yours does, slide it to the unlock position. If there's no switch, we'll need to use a built-in Windows tool. Click the search bar, type diskpart as one word, then right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. A command window will open. Type list disk and hit enter. This will show all connected drives. Identify your USB drive by checking its size. For example, if your USB is about 8 GB, look for the one with a similar size. Then type select disk, replacing hash with the number of your USB and hit enter. Now type attributes disk clear read only and press enter. This command removes the write protection from the USB. You'll be able to transfer files without any issues. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. For more tech videos like this, subscribe. Catch you in the next one.